really love this makeup. My god.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel.
I'm going to start a new series in my channel and the videos are gonna be all about makeup tutorials and get ready with me videos. Face, let's move forward with the foundation. I will choose this one. Okay, let's go one pump. You know, whenever you feel like you just want to apply very light layer of foundation, what you can do is like take half pump of the foundation and mix it with your moisturizer and then apply it with your fingers. So in that way you will get a very light layer and it will look so good on you, and especially I will be applying the and you know, just following the trend. And then I like to apply a little bit all on my nose bridge, and then the same time I will be applying this contour. Let's make interesting shapes. Let's draw a triangle. It's not crazy dark shade, you know, so that it will look good in the daylight and it will look natural too. With the lighter shade, which is contour, I think I will use the brush first. I prefer brush from top to bottom. That's how I like to go. It's a little difficult here. Okay, I will use a smaller brush. So now that I am done with all the cream products, now it is time to set my face. The Maybelline. Always start from the middle of your eyebrows and under like this. You draw like a medium dark shade by using these two, and then dab dab dab. And starting from the outer corner, I would draw circle, 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 and then like keep going inward and make a line like this. This is really pigmented, so I have to make sure. Here and make it flat like this, and over your nose bridge here. So sometimes you buy some shades which are really pretty but doesn't look good on you. For example, this Maybelline red, it's a very pretty red shade, but it is too bright. So what I like to do is always use a brown shade. So just line it out over the outer corner. Like this in the middle. Just it. Go over again with this brown shade. on the waterline. Close my how I apply is I close my eyes, put it into the eyes and apply it. So yep, I'm done with the makeup, and now let's get ready. Here I am ready with my outfit. This